It seems that he has no knowledge in other operations that was conducted by the CIDG because orders were coming from his superiors. So in fairness to General Karamat, Mr. Chair, marami yung movements dun sa kanila sa CIDG na apparently he has not been informed, he has not been advised, or he has not been given the instructions. Ang pinupunto natin dito, Mr. Chair, is why were these CIDG personnel relieved after they had successfully raided in illegal pogo.
Ay, yung dapat, Mr. Chairman, ang dapat ayusin natin sa organisasyon ng pulis. Kasi laging bata-bata. It is not based on performance. Kasi yung trust and confidence yan is precisely bata-bata. Kaya nga nililipat yung mga taga-probinsya papunta dito kasi yung mga boss nila dati is nakasign sa mga juicy at saka strategic position dito ngayon. Kahit kailangan pa namin dun sa probinsya kasi nga bata.
But it does not mean na yung kasama ko doon sa picture kilala ko. We are just like politicians. Anybody can take a picture with us, sir.
General Karamat, we are not trying to tell you that you have involvement. Ang sinasabi lang namin kanina.
I didn't say that I was involved.
Wait. I'm still talking, no?
Yes, sir.
Ang sinasabi lang, tinatanong ko lang, tinatanong ko kung may kilala ka. Ang sabi ko, kaya nga pinakikita ko sa yung picture, ngayon nare-recall mo na siya.
Yes, sir.
O yan. O, di-recall mo na, kilala mo na, that's it.
We're not accusing you here. We're asking questions, and that is our job. Remember that.
Noted po, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Oh, why are you accusing me? Sama kami rito eh.
Sorry for my words, sir. But
Kaya nga, you be careful of your words.